Have you ever wondered what space asterisk sounds asterisk like? We've all seen those epic sci-fi movies with massive explosions and roaring starships. But what if I told you the reality is something else entirely? Something far more profound, and honestly, a little unsettling. The truth is, space is completely, utterly silent. So why is that? Why can you hear a pin drop in your room, but a star exploding billions of times more powerfully than any bomb on Earth wouldn't make a sound if you were nearby? It all comes down to one simple thing: the medium. Here on Earth, sound is basically a vibration. When I clap my hands, I'm causing the air molecules around them to vibrate. These vibrations travel in waves, bumping into neighboring molecules, and this chain reaction continues all the way until it reaches your eardrum, which then vibrates, and your brain interprets that as sound. Think of it like a line of dominoes. You push one, and the effect travels down the line. But in space, there's a problem. Space is, for the most part, a vacuum. That means it's empty. There are hardly any molecules or atoms to carry those sound waves. The distance between particles is so vast that a vibration from one can't reach another to pass the message along. It's like trying to set up those dominoes, but placing them miles apart. No matter how hard you push the first one, the next one will never fall. So even the most cataclysmic event, like two black holes colliding, happens in total silence. There's no air, no water, no medium to carry the sound. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, I've heard recordings from NASA that have sounds from space. And you're absolutely right, but there's a clever trick involved. Scientists use a process called data sonification. They take data that we can't hear, like radio waves, plasma waves, or magnetic fields, and they convert that data into sound waves that our ears can understand. They assign pitches and tones to different frequencies and intensities. So when you hear the eerie sounds of Jupiter or the whistle of a solar wind, you're not hearing what you'd hear if you were actually there. You're hearing a beautiful, scientific translation and interpretation of the universe's invisible vibrations into a language we can comprehend. It's like turning a book written in an alien language into a symphony. The information is there, but the form has been changed for us. This profound silence has some really interesting implications for astronauts. Imagine living and working in an environment where the only sounds are the ones you bring with you. Inside the International Space Station, it's actually quite noisy. You have the constant hum of life support systems, fans, pumps, and computers. It's the sound of survival. But the moment an astronaut steps outside for a spacewalk, everything changes. Beyond the sounds inside their own helmet, their own breathing, the radio crackle, there is nothing, a complete and total void of sound. Many astronauts have described it as both deeply peaceful and profoundly humbling. It's a reminder of just how vast and empty space is and how precious our noisy, vibrant little world really is. So the next time you look up at the night sky at all those twinkling stars and distant galaxies, just take a moment. Imagine the silent ballet unfolding up there. Stars being born, galaxies colliding, planets orbiting, all happening in a grand silent cosmic performance. It's a universe not of sound but of light and gravity. And maybe, just maybe, the silence is the most powerful sound of all. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more wonders of the universe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is the silence of space peaceful or terrifying? See you next time.